Hey there, welcome to RackNerd TV. I'm Christian. Today we are diving into a topic that is essential for anyone looking to host a powerful website: how to install Drupal CMS on a VPS. Drupal CMS is a robust open source content management system that is perfect for building everything from personal blogs to enterprise level websites. It offers unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and security, making it a top choice for developers and businesses alike. Before we dive in, make sure that you have watched our video on how to install KeyHelp on Ubuntu. It's a great starting point if you haven't set up KeyHelp yet, which is a free web hosting control panel that we will be using for our installation of the Drupal CMS. Also, if you need a domain name for your Drupal site, we have several tutorials on our YouTube channel to help you with that also. I'll drop links in the description down below this video, so make sure to check them out whenever you get a chance. Once you're all set, let's go ahead and dive in. Now, why should you consider Drupal CMS? Well, for starters, it is incredibly versatile. Whether you're a small business looking to establish an online presence or a developer needing a framework for a complex web application, Drupal can handle it. It's also highly customizable with thousands of themes and modules available to tailor your site's functionality and appearance exactly to your needs. One of the key benefits of using Drupal is its strong focus on security. With regular updates and a vigilant community, Drupal ensures that your website stays protected against vulnerabilities and threats. Now let's get into the installation process. Let me share my screen and let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your KeyHelp control panel. If you're unsure how to do this, refer to our previous video on installing KeyHelp. Note that you should install KeyHelp on your subdomain if you want to use the same domain for both Drupal and KeyHelp. Next, navigate to the General section in the KeyHelp panel and click on User Administration. Here you want to add a new client. Click on Add Client and follow the on-screen instructions to create the client account. You can customize the resource allocation according to your needs, but we're using conservative numbers here just to be safe. Now let's configure the PHP version. Drupal requires PHP version 8.0 or above. Head on over to the Settings section and click on Configuration. Here you can check whether or not PHP version 8.0 or higher is installed. If not, scroll down to the Available Interpreters section and select the latest PHP version, then hit Save. The installation process may take a while. I suggest you come back in around 5 minutes and then refresh the page. As you can see here, the installation is now complete. Make sure Selectable is checked, and then on the drop-down menu, select the version that you just installed. Once that is done, it's time to add your domain. Head over to the Domain section and click on Add Domain. Select the account you just created as the owner, then enter your domain you want to install Drupal on. Go to the Security tab, select Let's Encrypt certificate, ensure Enforce Secure Connection is enabled, and then hit Save. After that, navigate to the Security section and click on SSL/TLS certificates. Click on Secure Server Services. Make sure that all services are set to Let's Encrypt and hit Save. Now let's configure the DNS setting. Go to the Domain section and click on DNS Editor. Select your domain from that list. Here you need to create the corresponding DNS records on your domain's DNS manager. If you're using Cloudflare like us, then just follow the on-screen instructions to create your DNS records. Once done, log out from your administrator account and log into the client account that you created earlier. Now navigate to the resources section and click on databases. Click on add database and generate a secure password. Make sure to note this password down as you will need it later. Save the database and also note down the database name and user. It is time to install Drupal. Head over to drupal.org/download. Right-click the download Drupal zip link and then click on the copy link address. Then go back to your client area and navigate to the general section and click on File Manager. Next, navigate to your domains folder, click on Upload, select from URL, paste the copied link and hit upload. Once the upload is done, you will need to extract and move the files to the correct folder. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Finally, go to your website domain /core/install.php to continue setting up Drupal. Follow the Drupal installation wizard, choose your language, select standard profile, and when prompted for the database name, user, and password, use the details that you noted down earlier. Drupal will now install, just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to configure the website. Just fill in the details accordingly and then click Save and Continue. And that's it, you have successfully installed Drupal using Key Help. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this one. And don't forget to visit RackNerd.com for all your hosting solutions and check out our guides on YouTube to help you along the way. So thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video.